you know, as we try to be as professional as we can be and stick to time, this might perhaps be our last little number for all of you. And if it is, we just want to say once again mahalo for allowing us to be here. I'm Dane, this is Grant. You know, the three of us, we normally have Ekolo, and Ekolo's being, hopefully he's winning races. That's true.
And shameless plug, if you folks would like to paddle next season, Hui Lanakila is always open enrollment. Always has open enrollment.
Yeah. You gotta be able for swim though. So that's prerequisite number one. Or walk on water, because they practice bada alawai. So either one of the two. It's one of the two. But we're fortunate to be here, and we want to leave you with this last little number. It's a statement and a slogan that is a constant reminder for us, but also to the world, that we are fortunate and we are Hawaiian.
Hawaiian.